So till now we were using a database on a local host server. So if we want to deploy a database on cloud server, we can do that with the help of this Atlas tool. This MongoDB Atlas, we can use this online. So we can create a cluster here. So then we can deploy a database on the cloud server and we can run it on our system from anywhere. So based on any application need, this will be helpful to access database from anywhere. So here we can create new cluster and then we can use this. Go here to connect. We can connect that to MongoDB drivers for any programming language. We can connect it to developer tools. Here we have Shell, Compass, and MongoDB for VS Code. You have to create a database user. So we will create this new database user, and we have these three roles here: admin, read and write, and only read. We can also have we need to give this IP address. So we can use our current IP address that we are having on our system. We also have this backup we can create here. So when we run our database and we connect it to Shell, we can browse the collections that we create from here also. And here we can visualize our data. So to connect this to Shell, we have this. This is the command that we have to add on command prompt. We have this username. We have to put the password. So here on a terminal, we put this command, username, and our password that we created. We can open this. So this MongoDB database is created on cloud. So we can access this from our shell. So here we can create new collection, insert everything that we can do with a normal database. But this is on the cloud server. Now if we want to create a project with Node.js driver in MongoDB, and we are also using React. So for using Node.js driver, we download Node.js. After installing, so we have our project file that has Node and React code in it. So in the command prompt, we give the path to that file here, and then we write this npm install to connect Node here. So we can now view this viewer project in the browser, and we have this local host that we can view it on. So in the browser, open this on a local of 3000. So these are some demo products we have on this website. Yes. Now we'll connect MongoDB with this to store and fetch data from there. So for that we open the project file on VS Code and we open a new terminal here where we have the path to a project file and then we write npm install mongodb save. So this will connect mongodb to this project and then here in a cluster, just like we can connect with shell, we can also connect with driver shell. So for drivers, we select Node.js driver and we get this. So this code we have to run on the terminal. This is what we have to run inside of a project to connect MongoDB with Node.js. So inside of the JS file, also to run this project, we need to have at least one user with read and write access, read and write roles. So we run that command. We put that here. First, to test that, we can run this on app.js. So this here we have the endpoints for the website. So in this app.js, we give this create a new constant MongoDB and we put require MongoDB dot Mongo client. So this will allow us to connect this to MongoDB from inside this app.js file. So then inside of the app.js file, we can write this to connect this to MongoDB, the command that we have in cluster. So here we have a username and our own password. So here we can write a new collection name that will be created on the go here, which is not by default. So we write this my show create a new database here, and this is the name of our cluster. Then we have this here at dot then and dot catch, and then we can put like in this result and console.log. You can put anything that we display to test the connection first, and then after that the client.close to close the connection after it is tested. Here we have this for catch error, new console with error, new client.close. Also, uh, when we made this connection, so this is what the front end connection was. So this will not automatically connect. You have to connect it on server side also. So similarly, we use command prompt to open this and then we write this npm run start server. So here server will be connected then only you can use this website. So now after putting this some code here, we can if we want to display a message, see the connection. So we terminate from this and then we open connect the server again. So if we add this method, we get this here. Similarly, now we want to do something useful, so we can do CRUD operations inside of this. We use this to insert new products. So here in a product JS file, here we have all the products, the code for all the products. We have ID, name, description, price, and image. So here this add product. Okay, we have this. We can add new product here. So here we can connect also to MongoDB. We have to write this import here also. So these are different functions for getting list of products, adding new products, getting single product. Here router dot get. So the endpoint and the request for product. Here we have for adding new product and outer dot post. So adding new product the page. So adding new product here we have name, description, price. And then if you want to store this as a 128-bit decimal, you can use this decimal 128, and first we have to import this in and store it in a constant. And then convert it into decimal 128 from string. We have this file. First we have to convert this to string, and then from that we can use this to convert it to decimal. And then we put a connection here also. And then here we insert dot insert one, insert new product. uh, we don't have this. First we have this client db dot collection. We give the name of our collection here, and then dot insert one, insert a new product, and then for result we give console.log result, the new product, and then closing the connection after that. And then we can write this to get to see the status with the message product added with the ID or inserted ID, and then load cache to catch the error, and load error, and closing the connection. And here for status 500, yeah, this error message. So then we can open this and add a new product with title type, image URL to give a description, and create product. You can see this a new product is added with that ID. So now you can again open the cluster, and then to see if the product is added in the database, you can connect this to shell from here. So open a new command prompt and connect this to shell, put the username password, and then write the name of our database that we created inside of the Node.js file. So show collections, you see the new products that we can add on the website. We can see them here. And now to fetch a product, we can also use this. For that, we use this inside of dot fetch. We can run this dot find and then dot for each because find gives us a cursor, so we can use this for each to scan every document. And then this product dot and then we return that also after this. And here we want to display an empty error with status 200. We want to fetch the document. And similarly here we have this get error inside of this result also and outside of that also. For finding here we also have the catch error with status 500 and displaying the message error.